Shalom Likulam. For today's vlog, our lesson is about infinitive to it in Ibrit lekol. At pag-aaralan natin ang infinitive na lekol, how to say present, past, and future tense in Hebrew. At umpisahan natin sa present tense, masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural. Then, infinitive lekol according to the gender. Okay, let's start. Personal pronoun for masculine singular. I, in Ibrit, ani, both gender singular. You, in Ibrit, ata. He, in Ibrit, hu. It, in Ibrit, okel. Ani okel, ata okel, hu okel. Okel is for masculine singular. Okay, next. Infinitive to it, present tense for feminine singular. I, in Ibrit, ani, both gender singular. You, in Ibrit, at. She, in Ibrit, he. It, in Ibrit, okelet. Okelet is for feminine singular. Okay, next. Infinitive to it, present tense for masculine plural. Personal pronoun we, in Ibrit, anachno, both gender plural. You, in Ibrit, atem. They, in Ibrit, him. It, in Ibrit, oklim. Oklim for masculine plural. Next, infinitive to it for feminine plural. Personal pronoun we, in Ibrit, anachno, both gender plural. You, in Ibrit, aten. They, in Ibrit, hen. It, in Ibrit, ochlot. Ochlot is for feminine plural. Anachno, ochlot. Aten, ochlot. Hen, ochlot. Okay, we will proceed to past tense. Dito naman sa past tense, hindi na kailangan gamitin ang mga personal pronoun dahil ito ay suffix. Ibig sabihin ng suffix, may mga letter ng personal pronoun na naka-indicate na sa infinitive ng past tense. But ilalagay ko pa rin ang mga personal pronoun nang sa ganun may idea pa rin kung paano ipopronounce ang mga infinitive according to the gender. Okay? Personal pronoun, I in Ibrit, ani, akalti. Both gender singular. Akalti is for singular person, both gender. Okay? You in Ibrit, ata, akalta. Akalta is for masculine singular. You in Ibrit, at, akalt. Akalt is for feminine singular. He in Ibrit, hu, akal. Akal is for masculine singular. At ang word na akal, ang root word ng infinitive lekol. She in Ibrit, he, akla. Akla for feminine singular. We in Ibrit, anachno, akalno. Akalno is for both gender plural. You in Ibrit, atem, akaltem. Akal team is for masculine plural, but pwede ring may mix na babae. Ang gagamitin pa rin ay akal team dahil ang strong person dito ay lalaki. Okay, next. You in Ibrit attend akhalten. Akhalten is for feminine plural. They in Ibrit hem, masculine plural. Hen for feminine plural. Infinitive is akhlo. Sa past tense, they hem, they hen, akhlo. Okay guys, tandaan sa past tense, hindi na kailangan gamitin ang mga personal pronoun. Kung ikaw ay tinanong kung kumain ka na at tapos ka nang kumain, ang isasagot mo lang, akalte. Kung ikaw naman ay nagtanong, ang tinanong mo ay isang lalaki, akalta. Ang isasagot naman ng lalaki, ken akalte. Kung ang tinanong mo naman ay babae, akal. Hindi na kailangan, ata akalta? No. Dahil yung ta ng ata ay naka-indicate na sa akalta. Okay? Kung plural naman, akalno, ibig sabihin, kumain na kami o tapos na kaming kumain. Kung tinanong mo naman ay grupo ng mga lalaki, akaltem. Now, kung puro babae naman, akalten. Ang isasagot naman nila is ken akalno. Okay, let's proceed to future tense. At dito sa future tense, kailangan gamitin ang mga personal pronoun parehas ng present tense. Okay, infinitive to it, future tense, will eat. I, in Ibrit, ani, ukal. Ukal for both gender singular. You, in Ibrit, ata, tukal. Tukal for masculine singular. You, in Ibrit, at, tukli. Tukli for feminine singular. He, in Ibrit, who, yukhal. Yukhal for masculine singular. He, tukal. Tukal for feminine singular. Pareho ni ata masculine singular. We, in Ibrit, anachno, nukal. Nukal for both gender plural. You, in Ibrit, atem, tuklo. Tuklo for masculine plural or may mix na babae. You, in Ibrit, aten, tukhalna. Tukhalna is for feminine plural only. They, in Ibrit, hem, yuklo. Yuklo is for masculine plural. They, in Ibrit, hen, tukhalna. Tukhalna is only for feminine plural. Okay guys, this is the end for today's vlog at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. At marami pa mga infinitive words na kailangan kong i-conjugate nang sa ganun may idea na kayo kung paano ito sasabihin sa present, past at future tense. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa channel na ito, please subscribe na and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Maraming salamat sa panonood. See you on my next vlog. Tudaraba, Vel Hitraot.